ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः नित्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोचितः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि we are studying Pratikarma Vyavastha. Purvapakshi said that the Vishayatva, according to you, is not acceptable. How knowledge of objects will take place, and he gave the proposal: Jiva, which has avidya upadhi, is drashta of the Vishaya, in which Vishaya is adhyastha. So he said that will not work because avidya upahita chaitanya is jiva and Vishaya is also adhyastha. Adhyastha Vishaya cannot be adhyastha in another thing which is also part of adhyasa. And the second proposal he gave, Brahma is drashta. Which Brahma? Brahma with Visheshas. Savishesha Brahma. This was said on page number 356. Fourth line from the bottom, Atayava na dvitiyopi. Savishesha Brahma is also kalpita. It cannot be adhishthanam for adhyasa. If you say, Purvapakshi is giving another option, third option, Shuddha Chaitanyam is adhishthanam and Avidya Upahita Chaitanya, in that avidya does not become part of adhisthana. So he says, Jiva Chaitanya will become drashta, Brahma Chaitanya will become adhishthanam. That also will not work according to Purvapakshi. Why? Because Adhisthana Chaitanya, if it is covered until avidya is removed, Mula Avidya Nivritti takes place, until then Adhisthana Chaitanya is covered. If Adhisthana Chaitanya is covered, Vishayas are not known. Is in nothing will be known. Up to this was Purvapaksha discussion. Siddhanti said no. Even if Brahma is covered by Mula Vidya. Tula Vidya of the Vishaya will be removed and Vishaya will become known. So, Ghatadi Avachedena Avarana Abhibhavad Andhya Viraha Upapattehe. That was the last sentence that we saw on 357, second line. Ghatadi Avachedena Avarana Abhibhava is possible. Therefore, Jagadandhya Prasanga will not happen. Up to this is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Swami.
Swamiji.
Nanu Tarhi Idanimapi Brahmaspurane Charama Vritti Vaiyarthyam Adhika Bhane Api Tasya Spuranat. Now, this is some trader kind of a business person might have come here. He says, what is the use of Brahmakara Vritti? Idanim api, now also, Brahma Spuranam is happening. Because Brahma is not completely known, let us say. But Ghatavat Chinna Chaitanya, Ghatavat Chedena, Brahma is known. So then why do you need Brahmakara Vritti? Adhika Bhane api tasya Spurana. When there is Adhika Bhanam, imagine his thinking. I was just dwelling on this. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Let's say somebody says, do you want only Brahmakar Vritti or you want Brahmakar Vritti with Ghata? No, not Brahmakar Vritti. Vritti whose Vishaya is Brahma and Ghata, both. Brahmakar Vritti's Vishaya is Brahma. Ghatakar Vritti's Vishaya is
Ghata.
Ghata
Brahma
and Brahma.
and Brahma.
And Brahma.
Because Tadavachinna Chaitanya is there. So he is like a business person. He says, what do you want? Only Brahma as Vishaya or you want Brahma and Ghata? Ghata is free. Like, some people, one spoon, if it is free, even though that spoon is so useless, but they will buy that only. Why? Because the spoon is free. So like that, this fellow says, he is thinking, why do you need Brahmakar Vritti? Charama Vritti means Brahmakar Vritti. Vaiyarthyam, it is of no use. Why? Because Idanim api Brahma Spuranam is happening. Adhika Bhane api Tasya Spuranat. Adhika Bhan means Brahma plus Ghata, Brahma plus Pata. So some extra thing is known. At that time also Brahma is known. Nahi akhandartha vedanta janyayam vrittau bhavo abhavo va visheshanam upalakshanam va prakaraha prakashata iti. Akhandartha vedanta janya means Mahavakya, which produces akhandartha buddhi. Aham Brahmasmi. In that vritti, bhavo abhavo va visheshanam upalakshanam va. In such vritti, there is no visheshana in Aham Brahmasmi. There is no upalakshana. So like that, the visheshana or upalakshana prakara means some visheshana is not there. In that, there is no bhava padartha or abhava padartha. It is only Brahma. Instead, some other vritti, in that you can have bhava padartha, some abhava padartha, or some visheshana upalakshana. In some way, other things are also known. Iti ched. So people think only Brahmakar vritti, what is the use? There is no vishesha, there is no upalakshana, there is nothing in there. Ghatakar vritti, you get Ghata also and Brahma also. the next word is written after two lines properly. If there is some printing error, Upadhi Avishayaka Brahma. You can read that now, right? It is given there down.
Yes, Swamiji.
Arrow sign. Upadhi Avishayaka Brahma Spuranasya Charama Vritti Prayuktattvena Tasyaha Safalya. Upadhi Avishayaka Brahma. Brahma without Upadhi, its Spuranam means it becomes known as Charama Pravritti, not Charama Pravritti, it should be Charama Vritti. Pra is extra there. Charama Vritti Prayuktatvena. Brahmakar Vritti Prayukta Upadhi Avishayaka Brahma Tena Tasyaha Safalya. Tasyaha Vrittehe Safalya. That Charama Vritti is meaningful, useful. He says, but you don't realize anything else. There is no prakara. Prakara means like ghatatva, patatva, prakara. There is no such thing. It says prakara aspuranam tu tasyaha bhushanam eva. Natu dushanam. It is not a negative thing. That there is no visheshana. It is a nirvishesha jnana. Only by nirvishesha jnanam one will get moksha. Savishesha jnanam Atakar Vritti Upahita Chaitanya is not going to give moksha. So Prakar Aspuranam tu Tasyaha Bhushanameva. Idanintana Spuranasya Saprakarakattvena Upadhi Vishayatvat. Idanintana Spurana means this Spuranam which is happening now. Idanintana, what is the sutra? Sayam
Shiram.
Prahve Pragre Vyaye Vyashtyutyulau Tutcha. Tutular Pratyay. 4.3.23. Tutulau Tutcha. So, Anadi Idanintana Spuranasya. Now, what is recognized in Ajnana Kala, it is Saprakara Bodha. Saprakarakatvena Upadhi Vishayatvat. It is Upadhi. But that is not what is Ishta, what is desired. Ekadha Evanu Drashtavyam Ityadi Shruti Balat. स्वसमान विषय ज्ञानाद एव च अज्ञान निवृत्तेः. श्रुति says एकदैवानुद्रष्टव्यम्. बृहदारण्यक 4:4. So you have to know Brahma alone without any prakara. इत्यादि श्रुति बलात् स्व समान विषय ज्ञानादेव अज्ञान निवृत्ति. अज्ञान निवृत्ति requires समान विषय ज्ञानम. If Brahma विषय का अज्ञान is there and you say my ज्ञानम is of Brahma and Ghata, that will not remove अज्ञानम. Brahma विषय का अज्ञानम will go with when only Brahma विषय का ज्ञानम is there. अज्ञान निवृत्ते है अखंड चिन्मात्र ज्ञानस्यैव मोक्ष हेतुत्व अवधारणा. And therefore अखंड चिन्मात्र ज्ञानम alone is for moksha hetu and nothing else. न च अंतःकरणावच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य जीवत्वे सुषुप्ति दशायां तदभावेन कृत हान्याद्यापत्तिः इति वाच्यम्. Antakaranaavachhinna Chaitanya is Jiva, if you say. In Sushupti Avastha, Antakarana Laya has to happen in Avidya. So Antakaranaavachhinna is Chaitanya, means two parts are there, Antakarana and Chaitanya. In Sushupti, Antakarana has to go back to avidya. Then Chaitanya alone is. Now, tad abhavena. Tad abhavena means antakaranavachhinna chaitanyasya abhavena kritahani adi apatti hi kritahani and
Akrita Abhyagam.
akrita abhyagama. Both of them will come. Akrita abhyagama apatti iti. Is there a question?
No, Swami.
Okay. Iti kritahani, because that jiva has lost jivatva in sushupti. Everything is gone. Then who will be there for experiencing those karmas? And then new jiva will come next day morning, will not have any karma phala to experience. Iti nacha vachyam. Tadapi asya karanatmana avasthanat. In sushupti avastha also, jiva is not gone. He is existing as karanatma. स्थूल सूक्ष्म साधारणस्य अंतःकरणस्य उपादित्वात्. The beautiful idea, something new. What does it say? स्थूल सूक्ष्म साधारणस्य अंतःकरणस्य उपादित्वात्. What is the meaning?
In Sushupti, Antakarana, in Sushupti, Jiva Chaitanya gets the Antakarana of the form of without the subtle and gross Upadhi. So Antakarana Upadhi is not gross or subtle or causal.
See, Antakarana Upadhi has two forms, Sthula and Sukshma. It is not Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira. He says Sthula Antakarana, Sukshma Antakarana. Antakarana gets two forms. So in Jagrat and Swapna, Antakarana is Sthula. In Sushupti, Antakarana becomes Sukshma. Means Antakarana itself is Sukshma Sharira. To this Sukshma Sharira, Sthula and Sukshma Visheshanas are given. So you have Sthula Sukshma Sharira and Sukshma Sharira. So in Sushupti, it is Sukshma part of Sukshma Sharira, which becomes the Upadhi. And in Jagrat and Swapna, it is the Sthula part of Sukshma Sharira, which is the Upadhi. And therefore, Upadhi is still there even in Sushupti, and with that it comes back. Or you use the words Karana Upadhi and Karya Upadhi. So Karana Upadhi is there in Sushupti. Karya Upadhis are there in Jagrat Swapna. Very easier. What is the question?
Swamiji, can I know the reference for this Swamiji? Could we further?
Next line says, Tadapi tehe samsara vyapadeshat iti asmin sutre cha ayam artha spashtataraha. In this Brahma Sutra, Tadapi tehe samsara vyapadeshat, this meaning is made clear. So number is given 4 to 8. Tadapi tehe. Anything strikes?
Shantogya, Chakra, Swapiti.
That is the mantra. Swam apito bhavati. That apitehe is that. Sata somya tada sampanno bhavati. Swam apito bhavati. In other words, in which we know through experience, because when I come back with my own jnanam, my own upasana, my own vasana, everything. And my own karmas are there. न च वृत्ति उपरक्तत्वं चैतन्यस्य न तत् प्रतिबिंबितत्वं. पूर्व पक्षी न च युले न च सिद्धांति. पूर्व पक्षी says वृत्ति उपरक्तत्वं chaitanya. Chaitanya is वृत्ति उपरक्त does not mean it is chit pratibimba in vrutti. Chaitanya pratibimbita in vrutti, that is not the meaning. Why? दर्पणे मुखस्य इव अनुद्भूत रूपे अंतःकरणे शब्दानि अप्रतिबिंबन उपादिताया अचाक्षुष चैतन्यस्य प्रतिबिंबनायाश्च अयोगात्. Antakarana and Antakarana vritti, they both have Anudbhuta Rupa. In Anudbhuta Rupa, how there can be Pratibimba? Pratibimba in the air, can there be reflection?
No.
Medium. Some medium is needed. That medium has Udbhuta Rupa. Vayu doesn't have Rupa. So reflection doesn't come there. But some air, something like water is there, in that reflection can be there. Or some steam is there, let us say. Steam, then some reflection can come. And of course, mirror, etc., reflection is there. So, Anudbhuta Rupe Antakarane Pratibimbanayaha Ayogat. Darpane Mukhasya Iva, this is Vaidharmya Drashtanta. Darpane Mukham is possible because Darpan has Udbhuta Rupa. Right now we are talking about the medium, not about what is getting reflected. That is second thing. That also he will object. Darpana has Udbhuta Rupa. Therefore, reflection is possible there. Antakarana has Anudbhuta Rupa. Therefore, reflection is not possible. This is his idea. What about Shabda? He says Shabda doesn't have Udbhuta Rupa. So, Shabda Pratibimba is not there. Shabdani apratibimbana upaditaya achakshusha chaitanyasya pratibimbanaya ayogat. That which is not available for chakshur grahana. Achakshusha chaitanya, this is second part. That also how it can get reflected. What is available for chakshurindriya can get pratibimba. And what is having Udbhuta Rupa, in that reflection can come. Here neither Antakarana has Udbhuta Rupam nor Chaitanya is Chakshusha Pratyaksha. So, none of them is possible. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Siddhanti says,
Swamiji,
"Iti na
what
cha
is-
vachya." It's not clear?
Shabda, how about echo, Swamiji?
It is going to come. That is what Siddhanti is going to say. Udbhuta Rupavatvam na pratibimbina, it should be. not Pratibimbino. Pratibimbana Upadita Prayojakam. Siddhanti says, Udbhuta Rupavatvam is not the Prayojakam for Pratibimbana Upadhi. If that was the case, if that was a Prayojakam, what would be the Vyapti? Yatra yatra udbhuta rupavatvam tatra tatra pratibimbatvam. Wherever there is udbhuta rupa, pratibimba can come. If that is the case, then aswachhe api loshtadau pratibimba apattehe. In the aswachha, loshta, like any wall or any sand, reflection would come. Then what is the prayojakam? Kintu swachhatvam. Swachhatvam, see, he gives only this much. Kintu swachhatvam means you should understand.
Prayojakam.
Pratibimbana upadita prayojakam. Swachhatvam is pratibimbana upadita prayojakam. Means what is the vyapti according to Siddhanti?
Yatra yatra swachhatvam tatra tatra pratibimbatvam.
Yatra yatra swachhatvam tatra tatra pratibimbita. Where swachhatvam is, there pratibimba will take place, not udbhuta rupavatvam. So swachhatvam means that extreme cleanliness is there, you can say, or sattva in case of antakarana. Tacha prakasha swabhavatvena manasaha tat parinama bhutaya vrittehe cha asti eva. Mind which is extremely pure, tat parinama bhutaya vrittehe, antakarana vritti, it has swachatvam. It doesn't have udbhuta rupatvam. But there, in antakarana and antakarana vritti, that swachatvam is there. How? Trigunatmakasya api ajnanasya swachha sattvatmakataya api sattvena. Tatrapi pratibimbana upaditaya sattvaya. Pratibimbana. So this you already know, this topic. Trigunatmaka Maya, even though it is there, from Sattvamsha, Antakarana has come from the Sattvansha of all Apanchikrita Panchamahabhuta put together, and therefore Pratibimba is possible there. And then you said Chakshushatvam is needed. Napi Chakshushatvam Pratibimbitatva Prayojakam. Chakshushatva is not Pratibimbitatva Prayojakam. Why? Chakshusasyapi Akashadehe Pratibimbitatva Darshanat. Chakshusha Akasha. Akasha is not Chakshusha Pratyaksha, but its Pratibimba is possible. You can take different examples. One is, if you are standing in water, let's say if you are standing, not in Gangaji or Yamunaji, it is probably very difficult. Yamunaji, to forget it, because the water is so dark. I was told because it is very deep. In Gangaji also, if you are, let's say, almost near the border only at the bank, then even if you are, let's say, only knees deep in the water, that much only you are inside, but the reflection will appear as if lot more is down there or very less is down there. Akasha is also pratibimbita there. How much you are down, that also it will tell you. And in water, in mirror also, you know the near object and far objects. In mirror, they will reflect like that, what is near and what is far. So Akasha Pratibimba is also taking place. And then what Purvapakshi said earlier, about the Shabda. Shabdani apratibimbana upaditaya. So Shabda is a code. That is its pratibimba. Pratibimba there means you should understand pratidhvani, given in the Hindi Tika. So there, anudbhuta rupa is, Shabda doesn't have udbhuta rupatvam, but still, and it is also not chakshusha pratyaksha, but its echo is there. So Purvapakshi's all arguments are refuted. In other words, vritti uparaktatva of Chaitanya means Chaitanya gets reflected in antakarana vritti, it is possible. Nanu chakshusha vritti uparudha chitaha katham rupamatra prakashakatvam nacha. Okay, let us see this first. Chakshusha vritti uparudha chitaha, Chaitanya, which is chakshusha vritti uparudha Chaitanya. Why it is only rupa matra prakashakatvam? Why it reflects or illumines only rupa? The Siddhanti will say, we talked about prabha. He says, no, that example is not samana drashtanta, it is vishama drashtanta. Nacha prabhavat niyamaha vaishamyat. Prabha means light. Light has a niyama, wherever it will go, it will reflect only that object. In the dark areas, they don't get reflected. Vritti is also like that. He says, no, there is Vaishamya. What are the Vaishamya? He shows one or two. Tathai. Prabhayam tamo virodhitvam rupam prati iva gandhadin prati api samam. Prabhayam tamo virodhitvam rupam. Prabha is virodhi of tamaha, darkness. Prabhayam tamo virodhitvam rupam prati iva gandhadin prati api samam. So in andhakara, some object is there which has not only rupa, it has gandha and other things also. Prabha will remove only ajnanam, or Prabha will remove only darkness. The removal of darkness will reveal rupa. But nahi sa gandhadeshastham tamo na nivartayati. Means there also in gandhadesha, if andhakara is there, Prabha will remove it. Light room, it is very dark. Light you turn on, light will illumine that place. Light will not give you the knowledge of gandha. But gandha deshastham tamo na nivartati iti na. On the other hand, Chaitanya is everywhere.
Yes, Swamiji.
So there where there is rupa, there gandha is there, there Chaitanya is also there. Why Chaitanya will illumine only rupa and not gandha? This is Purvapakshi's objection. Prabha will remove andhakara where there is rupa also, where there is gandha also. But Chaitanya does not remove avarana, ajnana avarana of both rupa and gandha together. Only rupa, no gandha. Only gandha, no rupa. Nahi sa gandha deshastham tamo na nivartayati. Nacha ajnana virodhitva lakshanam prakashakatvam rupam prati eva natu rasadin prati iti vachya. You say ajnana virodhitva lakshana of prakashakatvam is only for rupa, not for rasa gandha iti nacha vachya. Why? अज्ञान निवर्तकत्वस्य वृत्ति भिन्ने अनंगीकारात्. All this is Purvapaksha Grantha. Huh? Ajnana Nivartakattvasya Vritti Bhinne. There is no Vritti, Ajnanam will not be removed. So, whether it is Rasa or Gandha, everywhere it should happen. Prabhayaha Rupa Grahaka Chakshu Sahakarittvavat Gandhadi Grahi Granadi Sahakaritva Abhave Api चितो ग्राहकांतर असहकारित्वेन तद्वत् सहकारी विलंबेन विलंबस्य वक्तुम अशक्यत्वात्. So one difference he showed between Prabha and Chaitanya. First difference that we saw was that Prabha is tamo virodhi wherever, but Chaitanya does not remove all ajnanam together. Like light removes all darkness together. He says Chaitanya doesn't do that. Second, he says, Prabha requires some sahakari thing also. Prabhayaha rupa grahaka chakshuhu sahakaritva. So it needs sahakari karana for andhakara or rupa revelation. So Prabha needs sahakari for rupa revealing. But Prabha cannot do anything with gandhadi, grahi, granadi sahakaritva. Because light is there, let us say. And gandhadi, grahi, granadi sahakaritva. Even if it is not there, you can smell. Light you don't need. Chaitanya does not need any sahakari. Chito grahakantara asahakaritvena. Tadvat sahakari. So Chaitanya doesn't need any sahakari vastu. Prabha needs for chakshusha pratyaksha rupa grahaka chakshu sahakari. Chaitanya is like gandha. So even if light is not there, it can get gandha jnana like that. Tadvat. Sahakari vilambena. Now, if this sahakari, if that delays, so sahakari thing, the secondary or auxiliary thing which is needed for knowledge, if that takes time, sahakari vilambena, vilambasya vaktum ashakyatvat. So in case of Chaitanya, because sahakari is not there, sahakari vilambena, vilamba is not appropriate. Vaktum ashakyatvat. So this is the other second difference. Prabha, because it has sahakari karana, in the absence of sahakari karana, or even there is a delay in sahakari karana, jnanam will get delayed. In Chaitanya, there is no sahakari, so there is no such delay. And you said, Purvapakshi says, Chaitanya is sarvagata according to you. So tathacha chitaha sarvagatattvena sarva sambandhat rupadivat gurutvaderapi आश्रय द्वारा साक्षात् वा संबंधित्वात् प्रकाशापत्ति. Chaitanya is everywhere. So if it is everywhere, it has sambandha with all, sarva sambandhat. So just how, let's say there is one spherical iron ball and there is one spherical rubber ball. Same size, same color. You turn on the light, you will get the knowledge of both the rupa. but you will not know which is heavy, which is light. Exactly in the same way, Chaitanya also, all pervading, it will illumine both, but it will not have the knowledge of Gurutva, the weight. सर्व संबंधात रूपादिवत गुरुत्वादेहे अपि आश्रय द्वारा साक्षात वा संबंधित्वात्. Either through ashraya means the ball, to which that gurutva is ashrita, in which it is ashrita, either through ashraya. Through ashraya, when they say, means sanyukta samvaya, you should understand. Sakshat means directly knowledge of gurutva. Somehow, Purvapakshi saying somehow, either through sanyukta samvaya or through sanyoga sambandha or samvaya sambandha. Whichever way its knowledge should take place. But Chaitanya reveals Rupa, but not Gurutva. So Prakashapatti is not happening in Gurutva. Vritti uparakta chit sambandha seva prakashakatvat. Vritti uparakta Chaitanya sambandha is there, prakashakatvat, in both cases. But Gurutva Jnanam is not taking place. There is a question.
Yes, Swamiji, about the Prapayam Tammo Virlotitvam Rupam Prativa Gandhadim Pratyapi Samam. So here, is it the Purvapaksha talking about the lights illumine the form, the Rupa and Gandha also?
This is Tatha hi Prabhayam Tamo, that line?
Yes.
That light removes the darkness.
And
Whether in that darkness, Rupa is there, Gandha is there, it is Samam. It is same.
Okay.
Prabhayam Tamo Virodhitvam Rupam Prati Iva Gandhadin Prati Api Samam. It is same.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Purvapakshi is still continuing. He says, and this you are quoting the Shruti Asango hi ayam Purushaha, means Chaitanya is Asanga. He said, this Shruti Asango hi ayam Purusha iti Shrutistu Ishwarasya Tatkrita Lepa Abhava Para. That Shruti is talking about Ishvara who does not get Lepa. See, Asanga is different. Lepa Abhava is different. Asanga means the one who does not come in contact with anything. Lepa Abhava means he comes in contact with everything but doesn't get affected. So Vedanta, according to Vedanta, Brahma is Asanga. According to Vishishta Advaita or Dvaita, they'll say Brahma is Lepa Abhava. He does everything, but he doesn't get affected. There is a big difference. Asanga means there is no possibility of any contact only. Lepa Bhava means contact is there, but nothing happens. It is unaffected. So Purvapakshi says, Asango Hiyam Purusha is actually saying Lepa Bhava. Natu Sambandha Nishedika. Sambandha is there. That Shruti doesn't negate the Sambandha. Sa yat tatra yat kinchit pashyati ananvagatas-tena bhavati iti purva vakya. Because just before Asango Hiyam Purusha, previous statement is Sa yat tatra yat kinchit pashyati, whatever it sees, ananvagatas-tena bhavati. He remains unaffected by it. So that he sees pashyati but unaffected. So that is what is pointed out by Asango Hiyam Purusha. Not that it is Asanga. Also, we will quote Asango Hiyam Purusha. I tell you how Asango Hiyam Purusha you should understand. How he gives Bhagavad Gita Drishtanta. Yatha kasha sthito nityam vayu sarvatra go mahan ityadi smrutescha iti chet. Just like in Akasha, Vayu, which is present everywhere, it is Nitya. Nityam Vayu. Nityam is Kriya Visheshan. Sarvatra go Mahan. It is Sarvatra, it goes everywhere, but it is unaffected. What is the second line of the shloka?
तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानि त्युपधारय.
तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानि त्युपधारय इत्यादि स्मृतेश्च. So all the jivas are in me, but I don't get affected by their punya papa, etc. Iti chet, Siddhanti said, na. Now, explanation we'll have to see in the next class only. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.